don't you just think that when somebody is making a video and looking to the side like this, that it's either annoying or you can't make eye contact with them? I have a tip for you on how to avoid doing that, because right now it's actually a problem for me because I tend to look to the side right now. And in order to show you what I normally do and not get distracted by this, I'm just going to record this from my angle right here. See, this is how I view the camera normally. This is probably also how you would view a camera when you're recording a video. But when I have it's all set up, when I have my angle set up and I know it's good, normally I just tend to flip this to the side right here, and then it's much easier to have eye contact and look straight into the lens instead of looking at yourself. Because every time you move when you are recording something on the screen over here, every time you move, you accidentally look at this monitor, and when you look at this monitor, you accidentally lose eye contact with the camera. So there is also a different when you're doing it via a phone. Then I'm just going to see if I can show you this. Many are recording themselves with this angle, watching themselves, and if you do this, then you tend to look at the screen instead of looking at the actual camera lens. Now, an idea here is to turn this around and then look inside the lens instead, and have this maybe in front of a mirror. I know many people who are recording with a phone turn their phone around and look into the lens instead, and then they do this in front of a mirror so they can see what's happening behind the monitor instead of doing it this way and looking at the side. I hope this was helpful to you, and if this provided any value to you, then consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.